Hi everyone, it's Miss Casey. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime out of some very simple ingredients. Alright, so the first thing we're going to start with is just regular glue. This can be clear glue, it can be color glue, it can be pretty much any school glue that you have. So the first step is we're going to take our measuring cup and we're going to put 1.5 cups of glue into our bowl. So I already put my glue into my bowl. I'm going to give it a nice stir, make sure it's not clumpy. All right, the next step is we're going to take 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So we're gonna pour that in and we're gonna stir it up, stir. Give it a nice stir, make sure that everything is nice and stirred in. All right, our next step after the baking soda is we're gonna add 4 tablespoons of water. So this is 4 tablespoons of water that I've already measured out. We're gonna pour it into the slime mixture. I'm gonna give that a nice stir. Usually the water helps it be more stretchy. Give it a nice stir. All right, at this step, I'm going to add in some color. And I think we're going to make the slime green today. I think green would be a nice color. So I'm just gonna put in some drops. Doesn't really matter how much, just wanna get it colorful. I'm gonna give it another stir. Mix all of that color in. It's a nice green color. Reminds me of a nice spring day. All right, it's all mixed in now. So the last step is I'm going to add some contact solution. So this is 3 tablespoons of contact solution. I already measured it out. So I'm gonna pour it in. And this is what makes the slime turn into slime. So I don't know if you can tell in the video, but it's getting nice and thick. And it's nice and goopy. Nice and goopy. All right, so at the end, it's a little bit easier if you just use your hands to work it. So I'm gonna use my hands, get it to form. Still nice and goopy, nice and goopy.
Sounds goopy when you make it. It's nice and goopy.
All right, so we're getting it nice and goopy. And then look at that, it's slime. It's nice and stretchy. And you can pull it all up and around. And beautiful slime. All right, guys, bye.